How to save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First we'll launch WhatsApp and make sure you log in or sign in to your WhatsApp account. Select three dots at top right. Choose setting from this menu. Scroll down. Now navigate to storage and data from settings section. Scroll down. Under media auto download, tap on when using mobile data and checkmark audio option, tap OK. Now select when connected to Wi-Fi and checkmark audio and tap on OK button. Similarly, select when roaming and checkmark audio as well and tap on OK. When you have done that, any person, if they send you voice messages, it will be saved to your gallery directly from WhatsApp. So in this way, you can easily save WhatsApp voice messages to gallery. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.